know y'all hear my footsteps out there. Coming. Let's go get them, Just.
Time to dump fire, dump fire, dump fire, dump fire, dump fire. The MOP, yes, and the zip code is 1, 2, 3, and motherfucker, we coming 100 miles, we gunning. I'm still running with cash that raw from the era of XL 80s and hatchback songs. Same game. Operation for this industry lockdown. We still tote hammers that gon' knock out. Run up if you wanna. Believe me, all these hammers, what they own is fuck your Gia. Had you with blue hammers in the coma and your family now I'm on. Look, 70 pounds gone. The little folks stood it up with a hospital gown on. We holding it down. Can't wish if we fell bastards to get over. We frown with slippery cell tactics. Shippity frail baskets. Your tracks need tuna. Little nigga, what the fuck you recording for Nick Jr.? The game ain't changed. It just got harder. Plus we sponsored by Lay's, Dame Dash, and Mr. S. Carter, Brownfield. Yeah. We storm through this bitch all day. Rock with my cock out. Face the crowd and hit some thing. I'm from the G side of things. Where we ride and bang. When the heat got a flame. That's how we got the name. Warriors. It's better than your brain. And someone should be telling them the veterans have came. And we're better in the game. You better make it rain. 27 is grand. My man, it's better than cocaine. Now everything will change in this family. We'll rule the world and you haters can eat a dick up till you hiccup and howl a decade on the ground. Nigga, I paid mine, so it's my time to shine. And for you to ride the pine, I won't sit back and rap like these dumbass kids. I've been around, I'll put it down. I ain't these young ass kids. MOP, the OGs left and survived around this motherfucker. First family, we kept it live around this motherfucker. When it's crunch time, we do it all with A. Pushes on my niggas, London, the pistols and BK.
Turn my music high, 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 high. Yeah, more fire, more rock, wear a tire. More money, more murder, now the MOP tired. More further for the rock empire. Y'all won't service, y'all nervous, know them guns on full service, ready to fire. 1 body, 2 body, 3 body, 4. Young sitting on paper, I'm above the law. Young shitting on haters, I ain't fucking with y'all. When my Brownfield neighbors, how about some hardcore? And it just get worse. Every time I sound my signature in cursive, just add another million to these verses. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4. And the money's really worth it, so I'm pissing you up on purpose. My nephew's situated, and my mom is straight. So I'm ready for whatever drama should come my way. And you niggas rapping to me, so your drama is fake. You dudes is noodles, I got more CD to bake. You dudes is cake. I keep 2 biscuits on the waist, razor blades under the tongue. I will eat your face.